Catching a cold or feeling colder in the early morning hours after waking up is due to several physiological and environmental factors. Lower body temperature. During sleep, your body temperature naturally drops to help conserve energy and promote restful sleep. When you wake up, your body is still in this cooler state, making you feel colder. Cooler morning air. Early mornings tend to have lower ambient temperatures. If your room or environment is cooler, you are more likely to feel the cold when you wake up. Weaker immune system response. The immune system's effectiveness fluctuates with your circadian rhythm. In the early morning, immune responses are typically weaker, which can make you more susceptible to cold-like symptoms. Nasal congestion. During sleep, mucus can accumulate in the nasal passages due to lying down for extended periods, making you feel congested or sniffly upon waking, mimicking cold symptoms. These factors combined make it more likely to feel chilly, or like you're catching a cold during the early morning hours.